Todoist is one of those productivity apps that makes organizing your life feel almost suspiciously easy. You can create tasks, organize projects, set recurring reminders, assign priorities, and sync everything across your phone, computer, and pretty much every device you own. The interface is clean, fast, and simple enough that you'll actually use it, which is apparently the hardest feature for productivity apps to achieve. The free version is already good for basic task management, but the paid plan unlocks more projects, reminders, calendars, and advanced organization features. The downside is very simple. If you need is a basic to-do list, paying for Todoist might be unnecessary. There are plenty of free apps that can remind you to buy milk and ignore it for 3 days. But if you manage multiple projects, deadlines, work tasks, and personal goals, the premium features can make your life easier. So, is Todoist worth the price for serious productivity and organization? Absolutely. For writing down 3 chores a week, probably not.